The feeling of the home is an oasis. It has a design that is simple yet functional and exudes natural light and views. I'm Natalie Boyle. I'm the founder of Verso Homes based in Orange County, and I'm the realtor for 630 Loretta. We're in Laguna Beach, California. It's a small artist town. We're about half a mile from the beach, located on the top of the hillside, in a neighborhood called Portafina that is characterized by custom view homes on spacious lots adjacent to hiking trails. When I first showed the clients the home 3 years ago, one of the things that really interested us was the location. However, many rooms inside of the home were closed off. We thought, how could we better utilize the space to make it more interesting? And then we discussed flipping the floor plan and moving the kitchen and living room upstairs. So the focus of the project became to change the floor plan so that the rooms you spend the most time in would enjoy the views and the natural light. As you enter, you come into the living room, which is used as an office and reading area. And was also intended to be a children's hangout space, as both of the secondary bedrooms are located on this level. The garden area and backyard are also located on this level. As you ascend the stairs on either the exterior or interior of the home, you come to the great room. And this is the heart of the home. It was important to ensure the great room and the kitchen captured copious amounts of natural light and were also generous in proportion, as the clients love to cook and entertain. And in the kitchen, there's also a hidden walk-in pantry. To elevate this entertainment space, a patio was added where you can barbecue or just relax outside and enjoy the hillside and ocean views. The primary suite is also located on the second level. The bed against the backdrop of the ocean gives the room its beauty. The layouts of the primary bedroom and bathroom were rearranged to accommodate a walk-in closet and create a spa-like bathroom. One thing we've done in terms of materiality is we've kept the palette simple to focus on the ocean and the views. So the house feels very calming, and there's not a lot of visual distractions.